Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Today I'm making some delicious sopa de lentejas. For this recipe, we're gonna use 2 Roma tomatoes that I'm gonna dice. Half of a small white onion, 1 jalapeño, 2 carrots cut into smaller pieces. I set my pot to medium heat and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil is now hot. I'm gonna add 1 minced garlic clove, the onion, and the jalapeno. And we fry for about a minute. Now we add the tomato and we fry it until it releases all its juice. It's been about 2 minutes and now we're gonna add the lentejas. I'm using 1 pound of lentils that I've already washed. Next, we're gonna add 8 cups of chicken broth, or you can use water as well. And 2 tablespoons of tomato bouillon. Give it a mix. Cover it up and cook for about 30 minutes. It's actually been about 25 minutes. The lentils have almost cooked completely. And I'm gonna be adding the 2 carrots and a small bunch of cilantro. Give it a mix. Cover it up and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our lenteja soup is ready. It smells delicious and I am so ready to eat this. Perfect for this cold weather, and it's also perfect for Lent. For all those that do not want to eat meat, this is a perfect meal. With some homemade corn tortillas, delicious. I like to top it off with some avocado and a little bit of queso fresco. And there you have it, delicious sopa de lentejas. Okay guys, my favorite part, but I had to add a little bit more cheese porque ya me comí el otro. But these are so delicious. Con este frito que hace. Super delicious. Cheers.